Hello guys, this is Art from Techno Guy. Today we're merging together two different columns in Excel and adding them to a new column. Let's pop open Excel. I have some sample data here, E and F. I'm going to right click up on the top. I'm going to insert a new column. I'm going to call this New Merge. Enter. I want to take column F and column G and I want to combine them together in this new merge column right here. I'm going to start by going to the formula bar, equals, the cell I want to merge, in this case F2, the ampersand symbol, quotation, comma, space, quotation, ampersand, the next cell I want to merge, in this case it will be G2, I'm going to type G2 and hit enter. There you go. We have these columns now merged. I want to add these to the rest down here. If I have where I entered the new formula, I go to the bottom right, hold down my left mouse button, drag it, and it will do that to the rest of the columns that I have. Excel is smart enough to know that I want to do this to, F3, G3, F4, G4, and so on until I'm done dragging it down. Okay, there you go. There's your answer. Now I'll break it down if you want to stick around. What I did here is I used the equal sign to say that I'm going to create a formula. I selected F2, which is highlighted, and then I use the ampersand signal, which is right here. Ampersand, or it concatenates something, but all concatenate is a nice big fancy word for connecting to something else or merging something else. So that's what I'm saying here. I'm saying, take F2 and something else in G2. So if I took this out, this part right here, and hit enter, it'll smash it right together. But that doesn't look too pretty, does it? So what I'll do is I'll pop that other piece back in there, hit enter, and now I got a nice little clean format, which takes me to my next point. This formula, right after this ampersand, you'll see a quotation mark. I hit that comma and a space, and then another quotation mark. What that's really doing is that's saying before I join cell F and cell G together, I wanna add something else in between those two things. So the quotation mark tells me that, or tells the formula that I'm going to type something in between. So I can say test and hit enter, and then you see how that works. It shoved test in between the two things that I was joining. So if I hit that again and I take out test, I just hit the quotation mark and space and hit enter, and there you go. It's nice and clean. If you have any other questions, guys, please feel free to leave a comment below. Subscribe, like it if you want to see more of this stuff. Let me know what you want to see. I hope this helped you guys out. Have a good one.